Hello there. I thought I'd show you my little Lidmotor's penny oscillator. I found out some interesting things with this, and I'm not really sure what exactly is happening. It does its job. I don't know if you can see that, but it's flashing. And to prove that it works, I'll use his little trick, just to show you that it is oscillating. I asked Lidmotor where he got his coil he's using in his recent videos of his oscillator. But unfortunately for me, I live in the UK and he lives in the US, and where he gets his things from is in the US, and he don't deliver to the UK, even though it was a bargain price at 50 cents. Still, it prompted me to dismantle all bits and bobs that I can get my hands on. Everything you see here is pretty much recycled, including the remote control, which I've used as a battery housing. The coil that I'm using, I'll zoom in it and I'll put a nice little thingy in front. That's what it is. I'll freeze a second, hopefully you can see that. It came out of a modem, I think. Well, it looked like a modem anyway. And it seems to be doing some strange things. The battery I'm supplying is a Duracell, non-rechargeable doofery. It started off at 1.442 volts, and I started it last night to see how things were, and I came in this morning, or this afternoon, and I'm now getting, I don't know if you can see that, 1.445. I don't know if it's anything to do with the amount of power that I'm sucking out of the battery, or there's a back spike of some sort that's going back into the capacitor and straight back into the battery. I don't know, interesting, but it seems to be charging it. Yeah, it's been like that for quite some time. It takes a very long, I mean, like I said, it was 1.442 last night. Well, that was midnight, and it's now, what we're looking at, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So 15 hours, and well, it's minuscule, but I don't know if it's any significant information for anybody that's trying to do these kind of things. Yeah, I found it interesting. I don't know whether I can actually, if it would, if I was to put a rechargeable battery in there, like one of them, in there, and see what happens. He beat me on the LED, the infrared LED. I discovered it before he posted his video. I did comment about it, but still. I haven't actually tried it with this circuit. I just discovered that the infrared LED gave out a significant amount of power than a normal light emitting diode. Well, he found the red ones were powerful. In my case, I found the green ones were more powerful. But he was doing it outdoors and I was doing it indoors. My light source was that, which is a 40 watt halogen bulb. At any rate, I thought it was interesting that this actually charged up. It's taking, really, I haven't set it up, but it's taking less than 5 microamps, this thing, and it's oscillating. The only thing that's different about his, I tried to, I followed his circuit diagram that he used, and I think his this capacitor here, in his, I think it's 100 microfarads. This one's 1,000 microfarads. I did chuck 100 microfarads in there originally, and for some weird reason, I don't know if it's got anything to do with the coil, but the 100 microfarads was absolute rubbish. As soon as I disconnected them, if I show you now, I'll just give you proof that it's working. I'll disconnect the negative side. As you can see, it's disconnected, and it's still going, and it'll go for quite some time. But with the 100 microfarads on his original circuit, or the one I copied from him, it went in seconds. It's still flashing. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Yeah, but this one just goes on for quite a while. I haven't actually tested the length of time, but it went on for ages. There you go. Yeah. Thought you might be interested. Bye.